Hi there, I'm Scott, the Fix-It guy. Guess what? It's Fixable just hit 500 subscribers. That's incredible. Thank you. It was only 7 or 8 months ago that we reached 100 subscribers. You must enjoy what I'm offering here as much as I enjoy doing it. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for clicking the like button. Thanks for sharing the channel with your friends. Two, I always like reading all your comments. It's really interesting to learn how you approach fixing things. I've been spending a lot of time assembling these videos, so I decided to give my office a facelift to make it more practical for the work I do here, more high-tech. What do you think? New paint, improved the lighting, new desk, added electrical so I could run all these electronic devices. This project alone has provided a wealth of material for all kinds of do-it-yourself videos. You'll be seeing a lot more of those coming out over the next weeks. I've also been involved in some different kinds of activities and projects. Did you see my bronze casting video? If not, check it out. Fun process, interesting to learn about. So you can also expect to see some more diversity in the projects and activities that I do. Thanks for checking in, and I'll see you on the next fix.